So hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to create a comic book using AI. As we all know right now, AI is a trend right now. Might as well ride onto the wave, right? So let's get started. As you can see right now, I'm currently on Discord, and this channel requires an invite link. So don't worry, I'm gonna put the invite link on the description below, so you can just go straight to it. Now, once you're here, I want you to scan the left section of Discord. You need to make sure you see this comic AI bot. If you cannot see the specific channel, make sure you hover your mouse on the channels and roles, and then click on Browse Channel. You're gonna see the comic AI bot right here. Make sure you toggle it on, because by default, once you're new to the channel, this is gonna be toggled off. Now, go back to the comic AI bot right there, and then let's get started. So as you all know, for Midjourney, the prompt is gonna be /create or /imagine, right? /create for Pika Labs. Now with this one, it's gonna be /comic AI. Easy as that. As you can see right there, comic AI about a girl that is a murderer and she kills a person. Basically, we just need to input a story, and then this Discord channel, we create a comic for us. For example, let's try a boy who wants to be a superhero, then becomes a man with flying powers. A man that can fly. Pretty straightforward, pretty easy. Let's click enter. Now, Comic Bot AI will be submitting the task and creating the comic for us. And this will take roughly around 30 to 1 minute, or rather 30 seconds to a minute, which is I'll get back to you once it's done. So welcome back. That took around 3 to 5 minutes, and I've just created a new prompt because the one we tried earlier, the one that says a boy who wants to be a superhero then becomes a man that can fly, is not really that possible for Comic AI bot, so we just found out that it has limitations. Anyway, I've just tried a new prompt that says a man that can fly. Basically, this is gonna be it. So holy moly, I can actually fly, and that's it. We've just created a new AI, or rather a new comic, using this AI. Now that being said, that's how you do it, that's how you use it. And thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one. Goodbye for now.